In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Insert video title here. We'll start right inside TurboTax. Create an account or sign in, and when the program asks about your work, choose the self-employed or freelancer option. This tells TurboTax to set up the right forms for independent contractor income and expenses. Next, enter your personal information just like a standard tax return. You'll fill in your name, your current mailing address, and your social security number so the return can be filed accurately. Take a moment to double-check spelling and numbers here. Correct info helps avoid delays. Now let's add your income. TurboTax will guide you to a section for income from gig work. Choose the option to add a Form 1099 NEC or 1099K. If you're given the choice, you can upload a PDF, import directly from DoorDash or Stripe, or type the amounts in manually using your forms. If you earned less than $600 or didn't receive a 1099, that's okay. Manually enter your total gross earnings using your DoorDash dashboard records. Gross means the full amount you earned before expenses, so be sure you're not using a net figure. With income in place, it's time to reduce your taxable income by adding expenses and deductions. TurboTax will prompt you by category. Accurate, reasonable expenses can make a big difference, so keep your records nearby. For vehicle expenses, the mileage deduction is often the largest for delivery work. Enter your total business miles for the year. TurboTax will apply the standard mileage rate and calculate the deduction for you. Only include miles driven for your deliveries and related tasks, and rely on a mileage log or app records if you have them. For phone and internet, deduct the percentage used for business. For example, if you use your phone half the time for deliveries, navigation, texting customers, or the app, then you'd claim 50% of that bill. Use a percentage you can support with reasonable estimates or usage patterns. Don't forget other supplies used specifically for deliveries like hot bags, phone mounts, or replacement charging cables. Enter those in the appropriate categories so they're captured correctly. When you're done, review the summary. TurboTax will run the numbers, including self-employment tax for Social Security and Medicare, and show your estimated outcome, either a payment due or a refund. This preview helps you spot anything missing or unusual before filing. Once everything looks right, file electronically through TurboTax. Follow the on-screen prompts to submit securely, and keep a copy of your return and confirmation for your records. That's it. You've reported your DoorDash income, captured your deductions, and filed your return.